A new notice has been put outside Kangana's house in Pali Hill by the BMC, and it says that she has failed to produce proof of alterations which were carried out and the permissions related to those alterations in the premises outside which this notice by the BMC has been put. This is the second such notice, if I'm not wrong, that has been served to actor Kangana Ranaut by the BMC just ahead of her arrival in the city, which is expected at about 2:30 this afternoon. She has already reached Chandigarh, is what we are given to believe, and she will be in fact flying from Chandigarh to Mumbai this afternoon. And now a BMC putting out this notice in front of her house in Pali Hill saying that she has failed to produce proof of alterations which were carried out and if she sought any permissions before carrying out those alterations. So the civic body in fact posting another notice outside Kangana Ranaut's house. Let's go across to our Mumbai Bureau Chief Kajal Iyer, who's tracking inputs on the story, and she's joining me on the broadcast. Kajal, what does this new notice exactly say?
Well, this new notice says that the 24-hour, it seems that this is because they had given her a 24-hour period to justify the constructions and whether or not she is going to demolish them herself. But given the fact that there was no response, or rather the response from Rizwan Siddiqui, her lawyer, was rejected by the BMC. The BMC has now said that the premises will be liable to action and they will be liable to demolition. So whatever has been constructed illegally according to the BMC, those portions of the building construction will be demolished by the authorities, and that it can also attract a jail term of about 1 month to a year and a fine ranging from 5,000 to 25,000, with a daily fine of 500 in case the alterations are not raised by the person occupying the premises, in this case which is Kangana Ranaut.
Kajal, pretty much on expected lines, Team Kangana is going to draw direct link of this action of the BMC with her stand taken against the Aghadi Sarkar?
It does seem so, because this particular place Kangana had bought a couple of years ago, and it was no secret that she was using it as her office, and it was no secret that she was also making modifications to it to suit her growing requirements in terms of a home office. So why is it that just a day after she made that comment, the BMC suddenly finds these violations? It is of course a fact that the BMC does look away with respect to many violations happening with respect to building construction in the city, which have led to unfortunate incidents like building collapses also. But in this case, a remarkable alacrity has been shown as soon as she made those statements to go and paste notices and ask for clarifications for the construction,
right,
which means that the BMC was very well aware that something is going on. So that means that they should have already been monitoring if there were changes that were being made that were illegal.
True. BMC will also have to answer these questions, and I'm sure Team Kangana is going to take it up in a big and aggressive way. But let's now play out a report filed by our colleague Disha from Kangana's Pali Hill residence, where this notice has been placed by the BMC.
सबसे पहले यहाँ का जो है विजुअल दिखाना चाह रहे हैं। ये जो है कंगना रनौत के ऑफिस प्रेमाइसेस के बाहर आप जो पुलिस की पूरी सिक्योरिटी बंदोबस्त देख रहे हैं, आप देख रहे हैं ये पूरा रास्ता जो है वो पुलिस की सिक्योरिटी और बंदोबस्त में लगा हुआ है। यहाँ पे अभी सिर्फ 5 मिनट पहले जो BMC के एच वेस्ट वार्ड के अधिकारी है वो यहाँ पे आए थे, और आपको जो दूसरा नोटिस जो वहाँ पे दिख रहा है जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के मेन गेट पे है वो अभी लगा के गए हैं, और मिरर नाउ ने वो एक तस्वीर निकाली है उस नोटिस की, और उसमें साफ साफ कंगना ने जो कल 7 दिन का समय मांगा था BMC के नोटिस के ऊपर कि उनको 7 दिन चाहिए सारा डॉक्यूमेंट्स प्रोवाइड करने के लिए, तो वो जो है BMC ने 7 दिन का रिक्वेस्ट रिजेक्ट कर दिया है। ये नोटिस में क्लियरली ये लिखा हुआ है कि उन्होंने 24 घंटों के अंदर जो उनको प्लान्स प्रोवाइड करने थे वो नहीं कर पाए हैं, तो उस वजह से जो है it has been noticed that after receipt of the notice, you have not stopped carrying the work and continued the work. Under these circumstances, your request for maximum 7 days to respond to and duty address is rejected thereafter. So here, of course, the first notice जो गौरी का लगाया गया था, उसमें साफ साफ लिखाया था कि आपको यहाँ पे जो ऑल्ट्रेशंस का काम चल रहा है वो बंद करना पड़ेगा. बट आज के बीएमसी के नए नोटिस के मुताबिक इन्होंने काम बंद नहीं किया है, तो उनको जो 7 दिन का समय कंगना ने मांगा था वो नहीं दे पाए हैं. सेकेंडली, अभी ये ऑर्डर बीएमसी ने पास किया है. द रिप्लाई फाइल्ड बाय यू डेटेड 8th of September through advocate Mr. Rizwan Siddiqui is rejected. I am satisfied that you are carrying the work as mentioned in the notice schedule. Further, you have failed to produce the permission, approval, sanction to changes in the approved BCC plan mentioned in the notice, and further I am satisfied that you have not stopped the work. Therefore, the notice structure as mentioned in the schedule of the notice is liable for forthwith demolition at your risk, cost and consequences thereon. So clearly बताया गया है कि demolition continue होगा. 24 घंटे की जो डेडलाइन है वो ख़त्म हो गई है यहाँ पे जो बीएमसी ने दी थी, और क्योंकि कंगना ने जो भी एविडेंसेस है वो नहीं दे पाई हैं समय के अंदर, तो यहाँ पे जो डेमोलिशन का काम है वो जारी रहेगा. आप जैसे देख रहे हैं कि और भी पुलिस के अधिकारी जो है वो यहाँ पे स्पॉट पे आए हैं. अभी कंसिडरिंग ये बीएमसी ने अभी ये जो ऑर्डर है वो जारी किया है कि डेमोलिशन रुकेगा नहीं, तो अभी हमें ये है देखना पड़ेगा कि बीएमसी के अधिकारी कब यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं और अभी कंगना किस हिसाब से इस चीज़ का जवाब देंगे.